Are there types of fabric and things in the home that tend to hold on to mold more than others?
Well, fabric does, and wood absorbs the mycotoxins. The only thing that doesn't absorb it is like metal or some other material like that.
Mm-hmm.
But you can get a house clean so the mold counts are good.
So do you recommend that people just get rid of all?
I think it depends on how sick you are.
Yeah.
If you're really sick and you've got cognitive decline and a low energy level, or you got paralysis or tremors, you just need to leave.
Mm-hmm.
And don't take anything with you except clothes that you wash in EC3 laundry. And we'll tell you how to do that better later. But it's an individual variation. But the common thing is you've got somebody who's very sick and somebody who's not sick.
Mm-hmm.
And so the one that's not sick believes it can't be the house because they're not sick. The patient be sensitive to it and not be able to excrete the toxins fast enough not to get neurological symptoms. So that's why they're sick and the other person's not.
Mm-hmm.
But the same holds true for that patient. That patient needs to get out of there and not take anything with them. Because when you have neurological symptoms, you don't want to wait around until they're irreversible.